A teddy bear isn't just sewn, it's trusted.
The first test is always touch.
It becomes a message, care, comfort, apology, love.
A few stitches can make a face feel alive.
Now the question, how do petroleum and plastic become this?
Same softness, before it becomes a friend.
Polyester begins far from toys, at oil and gas.
Then it moves, pushed through steel arteries.
Plastic becomes feedstock, tiny pieces waiting to be transformed. Melt, extrude, stretch, polyester turns into hair-thin fiber.
Woven and knitted, the base cloth is built before it's ever fluffy.
Brushing lifts the pile, and this is where soft is manufactured.
Color is locked in under heat, consistent, repeatable, controllable. Inside every bear is a controlled storm of polyester fiber.
Shiny eyes start as pellets too, molded to be safe and consistent. Now the supply chain meets the sewing floor.
Every shift starts with a reference, softness, shape, expression.
Pile direction matters. Get it wrong and the bear looks uneven. Safety parts are sorted before they ever touch fabric. Before cutting, the fabric is laid flat. Tension becomes mistakes. Patterns are packed like puzzle pieces to save material.
Automated cutting keeps every curve identical. Waste is inevitable. Good plants control it, track it, reuse it.
Each bear becomes a kit. Missing one piece stops the line later.
The expression starts flat. Thread draws the personality.
Small parts first, ears must match, or the whole bear feels wrong.
Limbs are sewn hollow, ready to be turned and filled. Stress points get extra stitching. Bears are meant to survive hugs.
The body becomes a shell, empty, but already shaped. Curves are where quality shows. One slip and the face warps.
Right side out is the first moment it starts to feel like a toy.
Tiny seams skirt the paws, soft geometry.
Eye spacing is measured. Millimeters change the emotion.
They're called safety eyes for a reason. Once locked, they don't come back out. A perfect shine reads as alive. Scratches kill that illusion.
The nose is the anchor point. The face rotates around it.
They leave a port because the softness comes last.
Not too much, not too little. Stuffing is measured, not guessed. Machines fill it, hands give it character. Collectors notice density. Too light feels cheap, too firm feels stiff.
The last seam is designed to disappear.
Cleanliness reads as quality, even before you touch it.
Brushing resets the fur, so every bear looks freshly alive.
Even a few stray fibers can hide the expression.
Accessories are simple, but they change the identity instantly. Clothing adds charm, but it also adds inspection points.
If it can't survive a child's grip, it doesn't ship. Safety eyes are tested like hardware. Even cuteness has tolerances. Factories scan for what shouldn't be inside, because accidents happen. A final refresh, so it leaves the plant feeling new.
Packaging is protection. Fur stays clean, eyes stay glossy.
Now it's ready for distance, without losing its shape.
The line turns single bears into shipments.
From here, stores, online orders, hospitals, anywhere comfort is needed. Hard industry, soft outcome.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.